Well, it's a new day and I'm still building hardware. I've got another one of these for the other side, and here goes this one into place. This is finally ready for a header. See, this hanger has the one end open so we can swing the header into place. And it took just about forever to get this thing out of here with all the hidden nails to be cut. Now, in theory, this goes in there. Hey!
Ta-da!
And another. Not quite like that. Yeah, we'll try that. Getting pretty close. If we angled that.
Yeah.
A little anglier.
Wow.
Perfect. Well, it's another day, and I finally got a new clear lens cover. Thank you, JK Imaging. The things should appear less splotchy. Anyway, I've got the new header in place in the closet here. A double LVL in the new hangers. And we've got the extra blocks on top of it there to prop up the LVLs that are going across the room here. Now there's our channel for ductwork. And here, Ed has already fished some duct over that way to come out underneath the bookcase upstairs. And Ed's got his LVLs up in the kitchen here. And now I'm building bracketry for these ends. You won't find that shape at the store. Hey there, everybody. As soon as Eddie's done shouting into the telephone, we can get this video underway.
5/16? That's no problem. We can have 5/16. So 12 by 12, 5/16.
So, everything for this building takes 6 weeks.
Apparently so.
Alright, so anyway, I've got the fancy hanger in place with some more of our heavy number 12 short screws there, just to start with, and to hold it in place, and wherever we can't attach to something more serious. Like here, we're going to put in a 4.5 inch 5/16 lag bolt right into the triangle frame here. And one on the other side. Now it's time to make another hanger bracket for this beam in the kitchen, and in another funny shape. This one wants to be larger, because we want to use it to tie this whole area together. In there, these outer boards, or at least the middle one, was bolted in. Here nothing is bolted and it's not that great of a fit. So we want to strengthen this whole area. Just about perfect. I folded it a little too far.
There, that'll just...
Well, I didn't get to point this out before it was jacked, but this side was down a little bit, had sag, and now it's up. And with the addition of some 4-inch screws, we just pulled both of these boards about 5 millimeters tighter to the dome. So it looks like these boards may have been a better fit to the dome in the first place, but because there were no screws, it became like that. What happens when you rely on nails? So now we're wondering how level this part of the loft is now, and how level it may have been. So, we have a level.
And that's what it's showing.
What's it say?
It says that this side wants to come up. And I'm under that
Yeah.
trim board already.
By how much? We'll hold that level and I'll zoom in on the difference.
About 3/4 of an inch and 8 feet.
Alright, let's go check it back where I just tightened it.
It's level. At this point, this is level.